Every home develops small problems over time: strange noises, flickering lights, dripping faucets, or mysterious drafts. The key to being a confident homeowner isn't just fixing problems, but knowing how to diagnose them. Understanding what's going wrong before it becomes serious can save you time, stress, and a lot of money. Let's start with water problems, since leaks are some of the most common and costly issues homeowners face. If you hear dripping, check faucets and visible pipes first. Look under sinks for moisture or water stains. If your water bill suddenly jumps, you might have a hidden leak. Try turning off all taps and watching your water meter. If it still moves, there's a leak somewhere in the system. Water stains on ceilings or walls often signal a roof or plumbing issue. Touch the area gently. If it's damp, you'll need to trace it back to the source. Remember, water travels downward, so the leak might be several feet away from the visible stain. Next, let's tackle electrical problems. Flickering lights can mean a loose bulb, but they might also point to wiring issues or overloaded circuits. Try tightening bulbs or replacing them first. If the problem persists, test another fixture on the same circuit. Warm or buzzing outlets should be taken seriously. Turn off power to that circuit and call an electrician if needed. If your breakers trip often, unplug devices from that circuit and reset it. Overloaded circuits are common when too many appliances share one outlet group. Label your breaker box so you know which rooms each switch controls. It'll make future diagnostics much easier. Now, on to heating and cooling issues. If one room is always colder or hotter than the rest, start by checking the vents. Make sure they're open and not blocked by furniture. Dirty filters in your HVAC system can cause poor airflow, strange noises, and higher energy bills. Replacing filters every few months is one of the simplest and cheapest ways to maintain your system's efficiency. If your thermostat doesn't seem to match the temperature you feel, place a thermometer nearby to compare readings. Big differences might indicate a malfunctioning thermostat or insulation issue. Let's talk about drafts and insulation. If you notice cold air near windows or doors, check for gaps in the weather stripping. Hold a lit candle or incense stick near the frame. If the flame or smoke moves, you've found a draft. Resealing those gaps with caulk or foam strips makes a huge difference in comfort and energy costs. Strange noises are another major clue in diagnosing problems. Knocking sounds in plumbing can mean trapped air or loose pipes. Squeaky floors may just be shifting boards, but persistent creaks in walls or ceilings could mean structural settling. Pay attention to new sounds. They often appear before real damage occurs. If you smell something unusual like burning plastic, gas, or mildew, take it seriously. A burning smell near outlets could mean electrical overheating. A musty odor suggests moisture buildup or mold. Follow your nose, locate the source, and address it quickly before it spreads. For structural clues, look for cracks in walls, especially around doors and windows. Small hairline cracks are normal as a house settles, but widening or diagonal cracks can signal foundation movement. If doors suddenly stick or floors feel uneven, it's worth getting a professional inspection. And finally, don't ignore your gut instincts. You live in your home every day, so you'll notice when something feels off: a draft, a new sound, or a change in how systems work. Trust those observations and investigate early. Diagnosing problems is like detective work. The more you learn about how your home functions, the faster you'll recognize when something's wrong. Small checks and quick responses prevent big repairs later. So next time you hear a drip, see a flicker, or feel a draft, take a few minutes to look closer. With awareness and a little knowledge, you'll keep your home running smoothly and save thousands in the long run.